Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Jodie's Cooking. Today we're going to be following through with our butter bean hummus. So you can put this either on a wrap with a salad, at a barbecue, or if you've watched our latest video with the tortillas, you can have it with that, so it's quite quick and easy to do. So our ingredients today is, you don't need the full can, it's only a half a can of the butter beans, and all we're doing is just putting them in the bowl. Our next ingredients is 1.5 tablespoons of tahini. So once again, it's just popping it in, our tahini. And tahini is just grind up sesame seeds. That does make it quite yummy. We have 1 tablespoon of our olive oil going in. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And it says on it just a pinch of salt, so just a bit of pepper and a pinch of salt. So in that goes. So all we're doing with that, it's all in there, and all we're doing is pureeing it with a fork. So pureeing, just mashing it all together. So I've mashed it all together. Now if you need it to be smoother, the drained juice of the butter beans, you can add more in and just give it a quick mix around, just to thin it out a little bit more. So once I've done that, I get my serving bowl and scoop it in. So as I prepared earlier, my tortillas, so here I have one here, and I'm not going to, at these times we won't double dip, so just put it on a fork, ready to go. Enjoy. Thank you.